In a picturesque town adorned with vibrant flowers and colorful trees, there lived a talented guitar player named Aban. Aban was known for their mesmerizing melodies that echoed through the streets, captivating the hearts of all who heard them. Underneath a majestic oak tree, there stood a weathered bench, where Aban would often sit, strumming their guitar, and sharing their music with the world. One sunny afternoon, as Aban began playing their guitar, a gentle breeze carried their soulful tunes to the ears of passers-by. The melodies danced in the air, weaving a tapestry of emotions that touched the depths of people's hearts. The enchanting music drew a crowd, as individuals from all walks of life gathered around, captivated by Aban's talent. As the music filled the air, a young girl named Lila, with curiosity shining in her eyes, stepped forward and approached Aban. She had always been drawn to the power of music, and Aban's melodies resonated deeply within her. Lila shared her dream of becoming a musician and poured out her heart's desire to create melodies that would touch others' lives. Aban smiled warmly, recognizing the spark of passion in Lila's eyes. They handed her a spare guitar and encouraged her to play alongside them. Together, their guitars harmonized, creating a symphony of sound that soared through the vibrant trees. The music became a language of its own, speaking of dreams, resilience, and the boundless possibilities that lay within. News of Aban's collaboration with Lila spread throughout the town, igniting a wave of inspiration among the community. People gathered under the colorful trees, their hearts uplifted by the magical music that emanated from the bench. Aban's melodies became a catalyst for change, encouraging others to pursue their passions and embrace the transformative power of music. As time went on, Aban and Lila's music resonated far beyond their small town. They embarked on a journey, performing in concert halls and touching the lives of people from diverse cultures and backgrounds. Their harmonies transcended language barriers, uniting audiences through the universal language of music. Aban and Lila's heartfelt compositions became anthems of hope, spreading messages of love, resilience, and the importance of following one's dreams. Their melodies served as a reminder that beneath the canopy of colorful trees, there existed a world where anything was possible, and where the power of music could heal and inspire. Years later, Aban and Lila returned to their beloved town, where it all began. The vibrant trees stood tall, their leaves rustling with joy as the duo took their place on the familiar bench. The town celebrated their homecoming, filling the air with laughter and applause. With their guitars in hand, Aban and Lila performed a symphony of gratitude, their melodies echoing through the streets once more. The colorful trees swayed in harmony, as if applauding their journey, their triumphs, and the profound impact their music had on the world. Underneath the canopy of vibrant foliage, Aban and Lila's story became a legend, inspiring generations to nurture their talents, pursue their passions, and create melodies that would touch the souls of others. And on that bench, where their journey began, music continued to bloom, forever reminding the world of the power of a guitar, a dream, and the enchanting presence of colorful trees.